DC prominent defense criminal attorney. Did his surgery about 15 years ago.
15 years.
15 years. And as soon as I saw him, I said, "You're aging backwards." What are you doing, bro? How do you look this freaking same,
Well,
dude?
it all started with the hair transplants.
That's awesome.
That
man.
and staying in shape, having a beautiful wife, 4 children, keeps me young. But I've been more than satisfied. So happy about the procedure.
It's incredible. You really, I mean, everything about you. You look amazing. So he had a previous surgery. And tell us about the first surgery you had prior to meeting.
I had surgery in Bethesda, Maryland, and I wasn't really happy about it.
Yeah.
That's why I came down here.
Yeah.
I have a part-time home in Florida, and heard about you, and got a consultation, and from there, that's where everything changed.
Awesome. So he had a previous surgery. He had a little bit higher of a hairline. They put it a little higher, which is typical for a lot of those follicular cases. They don't have enough grafts. But then the design of it was a little linear, meaning it was eye-catching. And you know, one of the most important things about a hair transplant is so no one sees it. He said since he's had this, no one's recognized that he had a hair transplant.
Not once.
That you know, my worst nightmare if someone says, "Hey, Doc, I saw one of your hair transplants."
Right.
If you see one of my hair transplants, it's not mine.
Yeah. Right.
Not unless they tell you. But anyways, so we reframed the face and then we addressed the crown as well. And so I'm just going to kind of show off the work a little bit here. And so when you look at them from a profile, what we did is we brought this entire frontal hairline down about a pinky or so. So everything you're seeing in this area here is a new graft. You can see how it just kind of gently blends into his existing hair so it looks natural. This was 15 years ago, and it's withstood the test of time. How it naturally goes into the sides. One of the things that I always do, this is a perfect example of lifetime work, is I make sure this connects and then I build into the existing hair to make sure that that doesn't open up. And you can clearly see how that still connects, looks great. Other side, same concept. We reframed them all the way around, made it look nice and soft and natural, made sure it blends in as he ages, undetectable, came out perfect. His crown, he had some original hair back here, but I think everything you're seeing back here now is my graft. You're not using any preventives, right?
Finesse.
Oh, God bless you. Good. Okay, can you put
At your recommendation. Nobody else ever suggested it.
Oh, good. I always suggest it. Good. Put your head back for me, partner. So, he had it wasn't horrible. Had early, pretty good thinning in the crown. So I did a density case back here. Everyone's like, "Oh my God, those big grafts Dr. Bolton uses are from the 80s. You can't see any of this stuff, guys. It just allows me to get you more hair and looks natural, get you out of here with less surgeries. And you had a previous scar that you were unhappy with.
Yes.
And I removed the old scar and left you with the single scar.
Yes.
Okay, let's see how that came out. So you had a larger scar from his last doctor, and I removed it and gave him a new scar. And where is it, buddy? I found it here. Okay. Okay. I think it's this.
It was 2 sides, but this is the side that was jacked up.
This was the jacked up side. This is the side he was concerned about. So now you can't see nothing. So I cleaned that up for him. Now the hair gently comes down. You can't. Does anyone ever see it now?
It's just, there's like a little line where it doesn't grow, so only my hairdresser will say, I gotta keep the hair a little bit longer.
Because the scars look great. I don't see anything that needs to be corrected today.
No, your corrective work.
So I can tell you, after studying this, I can tell you what I did. I took it top line, and then I cut that out, or I grafted it. I gotta look at the notes, but you can't see it anymore. Came out great. So anyways.
Yes.
Looks great. Look at this. This is what I would have left him, is this little scar hidden here.
Oh, is it over there?
Yeah, so I took a piece
Nobody
above
even knows that.
to get the most hair,
Mhm.
and then I clean the bottom one up separately. That's what I did, yeah.
Okay.
So it looks great. So
So my hairdresser thinks that you took it from here.
I cleaned that spot up.
Yes,
that was the bad spot.
I
that
always tell her
her
that you took it from there and cleaned it up.
Yeah,
I didn't know.
Yeah, no, I took
She
it.
doesn't even notice.
Yeah, I took a top piece.
Yeah.
And then I cleaned the old scar up so I could get you the most amount of hair.
Okay.
What brings you back after 15 years?
Just to have, I've wanted for about 10 years to do a second procedure.
Okay.
Kids, obligations, work, always made 7, 8 days.
Yeah.
Not
Not
available.
easy.
If I had that time, I was going to an island someplace with my wife. But I knew that it was now was the time to do it, and you had done such an amazing job.
Thank you.
That there's only one place I was going to go.
I love it, brother. You know, it's funny, after doing this as long as I have, I literally remember like talking to you like it was yesterday. It's been 15 years. That's how crazy this stuff goes. Anyways, I'm so happy you got an amazing job.
Hey,
I'm going to do
I'm
another
glad to be
amazing
back.
job for you today. I appreciate you doing the video. And I said to him, 15 years later, I've only gotten better. It's called the practice of medicine for a reason. And he got that because he's an attorney.
It was better than last time. I look forward to seeing myself in a year.
Awesome. And what do you say to the guy that's sitting at home that's kind of on the fence and thinking you should do this? Why wait? Perfect answer.